Hi students, this is Suchadatta, SST teacher, and now I shall teach you the first chapter of Civics class 7th, and the name of the chapter is on equality. Well, you have already learnt in class 6th textbook that India is a democratic country, and the basis of all democracies is equality. Unless the people do not feel that they are equal, then we cannot boast of being a democratic nation. Well, the key elements of a democratic country are people's participation, that is, they should be a part of the government, and resolution of conflict, that is, whenever the people differ on an issue, then there should be a resolution, there should be some decision which satisfies all the people. And equality. This is very important. That is, the people should feel that they are equal, not only in terms of just having the right to cast the vote, but also feel equal in all other aspects. And justice. That is to say, the rich should not be able to take advantage of the poor people. So, these are about the various key elements of the democratic government. But in this chapter, we shall be talking more on the equality of the people. So, the first topic that they have picked up is equal right to vote. In India, you see, everybody has one vote and the vote carries equal weightage. They have given you an example of Kanta, who is a maid servant, and she feels that she is equal when she is standing in a queue to cast her vote, because her sahib, that is the person at whose house she works, is also standing in the same queue along with his neighbor to cast the vote. This gives her that feeling that yes, she is equivalent to her master, because they all have to stand in the same queue and cast the vote. And her vote carries the same weightage, and even the sahib has one vote and she also has just one vote. This is a good satisfaction, and as a matter, it does bring about equality between various sections of the people. But then there is other side of the coin. It so happens that Kanta's child is unwell. She lives in slums in pathetic condition, whereas her master resides in a good bungalow. She cannot take a day off to look after her baby because the master would feel offended, and she has to go to the government hospital and stand in a queue. Now, here standing in a queue makes all the difference, because all the people standing in the government hospital queue are all poor people, and they are standing and waiting for the doctor who does not seem much concerned. Whereas, when the sahib's child is unwell, he goes to a private doctor, pays him the fees and gets the best medication for his child. The school to which her children go are also not very good. So, these are the various inequalities which are prevalent in the society between the rich and the poorer section of the society. So, where is all that equality that we are talking about?